I'm Renee Moore with Monterey Boats, and I'd like to welcome you to the Elite Experience. This is where everything that went into the build finally meets the water. Everything that goes into the build you feel the first time you run it on the water.
So the Elite 23 is a lot of fun. The first time it launches in the water, we go out there and we just see what it can do. We all had smiles on our face. We pushed the paces, we ran hard, we turned hard, we hit big waves. Fortunately for us, the first time we run a boat, if it's not calm, that's what we want to do. It was a rough, windy day when we got to run the boat the first time, and it performed awesome. That's what we like to see and do. The weight distribution in the boat matters a lot, again, starting before the boat's even finished being drawn. By bringing our forward sun lounge in front of the helm, we've created a lot of great advantages. Not only is it comfortable, is it big, safety-wise, when the boat's off and running, the passengers are brought in on centerline, but also it keeps the weight from shifting during distribution. So you're not playing with trim tabs while running. Whether the passenger's sitting on the port or starboard, you're still on centerline. And that really helps with the balance of the boat while running. I think it's only appropriate to go with the center helm and that sporty feel that Monterey's really come out with the Elite Series, that the boat handles like it looks. Really can take her into tight turns, accelerate fast. Mercury engines have awesome mid-range torque, so to be running 40 miles an hour in some of these options and bump it and feel the acceleration is a lot of fun. I think fun is probably the word that best describes how these boats handle. I get excited, I'm smiling right now, just the enthusiasm really when I get on the boat and run it. It's also very predictable. Monterey Boats has been in business for over 40 years, and what we've really learned is the ability to control all of our processes and all of our materials and all of our product that goes into building the boat really makes a difference. We've vertically integrated our small parts, our upholstery, anything that we can comes from Monterey and Monterey employees. So it consolidates our stockroom. Our purchasing team does a great job of buying quality raw materials, and then therefore our craftsmanship can really dial in the parts that we build individually. I think these Monterey boats are really for everybody. We don't market to a beginner boater or an advanced boater. The Monterey Elite Series is a very natural, walk-on, comfortable to run boat. So whether you're just introducing yourself to handling and maneuvering on the water, or you're the experienced captain that walks up and turns around backwards to throw it in a slip, the Elites handle great in every situation I put them in. The currents, wind, offshore, inshore. I've had the fortunate ability to run these about everywhere, and I'll take one any day.
This is where it all shows up.